payment year 2026 initial version of CMS-HCC model is available at the CMS site. It is integrated to Medicare Informatics risk adjustment tool. In this video, we would like to share what has been changed and remained in payment year 2026 initial version of CMS-HCC model. The CMS-HCC V28 model is a new risk adjustment model that is being phased in over 3 years to replace the current V24 model. During this transition, risk scores are calculated using a blend of the V24 and V28 models. In 2024, 67% of the risk score is based on V24, and 33% is based on V28. In 2025, the blend is reversed, with 33% based on V24 and 67% based on V28. By 2026, the V28 model will be fully implemented, with 100% of risk scores calculated using it. In the context of Medicare Advantage plans, the normalization factor is an adjustment applied to the risk scores of Medicare Advantage beneficiaries to ensure that the average expected risk score in a given year is 1.0. This factor is calculated by the CMS and used to standardize Medicare Advantage risk scores with those of traditional Medicare fee-for-service beneficiaries. The higher the normalization factor, the lower the adjusted risk score, and the lower the payments to the Medicare Advantage plan. Conversely, a lower normalization factor results in higher adjusted risk scores and potentially higher payments. In the 2024 Part C CMS-HCC model, coefficients, demographic, disease, disabled/disease interactions, and payment HCC counts, and disease hierarchies are remaining same through 2024 Part C CMS-HCC model supported payment years. Only ICD-10 diagnosis code to HCC mapping table is updated based on ICD-10 diagnosis code annual updates. ICD-10 diagnosis codes are updated annually, with the changes typically going into effect on October 1. For payment year 2026, CMS calculated the normalization factors using a 5-year multiple linear regression methodology and average historical fee-for-service risk scores from 2020 through 2024. For non-PACE organizations, CMS will continue the policy first adopted for SI 2022 to calculate all risk scores for payment to Medicare Advantage organizations and certain demonstrations using only risk adjustment eligible diagnoses from encounter data and fee-for-service claims. For PACE organizations, CMS will calculate risk scores using 10% of the risk score calculated using diagnoses from encounter data and fee-for-service claims only, under the 2024 CMS-HCC model and the 2023 CMS-HCC ESRD models, and 90% of the risk score calculated using diagnoses from RAPs, encounter data, and fee-for-service claims, under the 2017 CMS-HCC model and the 2019 CMS-HCC ESRD models. The new risk adjustment model payment year 2026 Part C CMS-HCC model, V28, is added in the Medicare Informatics risk adjustment calculators. It will be changed to the default value this year September or October when new 2026 ICD-10 to HCC mapping is available. Meanwhile, the new risk adjustment model payment year 2025 Part C CMS-HCC model, V28, is remaining as default model. Please use the new model payment year 2026 Part C CMS-HCC model, V28, when you want to see how payment year 2026 normalization factor affects the payment year 2026 risk adjustment scores. For details, please refer to the calendar year 2024 and 2026 CMS announcements which are available at the CMS site, https://www.cms.gov/medicare/payment/medicare-advantage-rates-statistics/announcements-and-documents.